Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedayo Brume. As I would say, Adedayo. And if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, join the fam, and also turn on the notification bell, join the notification gang. Like, what are you waiting for? Join us. All right, from the thumbnail and also from the title of this video, you know what we're about to do. I'm about to show you how I achieved this braid. Like, I can't braid, guys. If you're like me and you know you can't braid and your braid is always soft like this but you still want to look, you still want to look nice, just continue watching. All right, so let me show you how I achieved this look. Then I'm gonna throw this in there. I'm gonna throw this big one in there. I'm gonna add, you can see this is a little bit tiny, so I'll add from the big one to it. Then use my hand to smooth it out. I'm trying to lose the braid a little bit, so I want it to be loose. And I'm gonna fit this small one a little bit from the big one. Feeding any small one from the big one, for some attachments. And then it's very long, so I'm just gonna start twisting. The tight twist though, I really don't have time to braid all the way down. I need to sleep. I have work tomorrow. I'm gonna take scissors and just cut the excess, and I'll repeat the same step on the other side of the hair. I'm gonna take these 2 braids out, make it into one, and I'll be right back. So I mistakenly cut this one, the one I did off camera, because it was getting longer than this, so I'm just gonna burn the mouth. Then I'm just gonna burn just not the way up because of my hair, just the bottom. This is so hard. And I'll be using Talia Wajid natural hairstyling cream. I like using this if I don't want to use any alcohol on my hair, if I want to use like a natural product. So I take the size and I like to warm it up and just go over the areas I want to lay extremely flat. I'm gonna rub the rest on my hand and just basically apply it. Then I'm gonna take my scarf and tie it for a couple of minutes, just so that it could lay the gel I just applied down. So we'll leave that for about 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with hot water and towel. So while my hair is getting gelled down, I'm going to just put the braids in the hot water. I'm not gonna take it all the way up because of my natural hair, because if I do that then it's gonna go coily. Okay, I'll be using this towel. I'm gonna repeat the same step on the other side. Alright, then I'm gonna slowly take it out. Guys, do you see that? And it still looks as natural as it should. So if you want to do your edges, you can always do that. Just gonna oil the middle of my scalp. This is basically it, guys. It's as simple as it looks. I really love it. And I'm gonna get up so you can see the length. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Also, if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please share this video. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe. So this is the end, and until my next video, stay beautiful always.